The fat pig. People is a pig. People lives on a farm. He is very fat. He eats a lot of food every day. He eats apples and potatoes. He eats cake and cookies too. People loves to eat. He eats all day long. People looks at himself in the water. He says, I am too fat. He wants to be thin. He wants to run fast. He wants to play with other pigs. But he cannot run fast. He cannot play for a long time. People feels sad. He decides to eat less food. Know that you have listened to the story. Learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together. What is the story about? This story is about a pig. What is the pig's name? The pig's name is People. Where does People live? People lives on a farm. Is People thin or fat? People is very fat. Does People eat a little or a lot of food? People eat a lot of food. Does People love to eat? Yes, People loves to eat. How long does People eat? People eat all day long. Where does People look at himself? People looks at himself in the water. Does People want to run fast? Yes, People wants to run fast. Can People run fast? No, People cannot run fast. How does People feel? People feels sad. What does People decide to do at the end? People decides to eat less food. Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.